Hello students, again continuing the topic Introduction to Statistics. Here now today we are starting this scope or the subject matter of statistics after studying about the features of statistics. The scope of statistics means that up to how many areas these days the statistics has spread. These days the statistics has spread to economics, business, industry, physics, chemistry and various other fields of knowledge. Because statistics means collection of data which gives us many facts and figures which is helpful for concluding the results. So in short, the scope of statistics is being divided into two parts. First one is the statistical methods and the applied statistics. First is statistical method that we have learned in the statistics in the singular sense also. That means the collection of data, presentation of data, organization of data, analysis of data and the interpretation of data. Means these all are the statistical methods which are used in various fields to collect the data, then to organize it, then to how to present it, then to analyze it and then to interpret it. So this is the first scope of statistics which includes the procedure of using the statistical methods. Second one scope of statistics is applied statistics, means how we apply the statistics. The applied statistics has again two parts, descriptive applied statistics and the scientific applied statistics. So descriptive, in the name itself it tells us that descriptive means description. It means the use of statistical methods, all the statistical methods, collection, presentation, organization, analysis and interpretation, all the use of statistical methods to make problem under study comparable and easily understandable, means to use all the statistical method so that our study can be made easy and with the past and present data we can compare it easily. For example, suppose we have to see the production of rice in the year 2010 and the year 2020. First of all we will have the data of 2010, then from the 2020 we can have the description easily with the use of statistical methods. Second one is scientific applied statistics. Scientific applied statistics means use of statistical methods to draw conclusion and take decision to deal with various social, political and economic problems. Many economic problems are there, social problems are there. For example, how much the corruption has risen, how much the rape cases has risen, how much this female foeticide has risen, or the economic policies or the problem of unemployment. All these are the applied statistics are being used over here to use a statistical method to solve the problem of the social, political and the economic problems, and to draw the conclusion and to take decision on the basis of the results given by the statistical methods.